What's up, everybody? All right, we're going live here. NFP, I believe, right? NFP? NFP? We looking at NFP today? Let's see. Get this music rolling here. Boom. Chat. Something's wrong with my dang mouse. It's like what's up, JT? JT, we meet again, buddy. We meet again. There we are. I had to put you guys up there. All right, cool. So let me just grab this stream really quick. I'm going to try to put it out there fast so I can just go right into the market today because it's NFP Friday. Hey, what's up, Mark? Monfrey, how you doing? Steve Wagner, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. All right, I'm just posting this out to the groups. What's up, JT? What's up, Joanne? Or is it Johan? I forget now. Dang it. Johan. Yeah, it was Johan. That's right. Tiffany, what's up? Always switching accounts. I get it. I get it. Elzo, good afternoon. Let's see if we can break that 150 today. 150. I know our highest is 129. That'd be cool. Almost done, guys. Let me put up the chart at least, right? I can tell you what we're looking at. I think we're going to be buying here shortly. Might take liquidity out of the bottom. Let me go ahead and share that. Boom. If you're in the futures boot camp, we took a break even right here. Just been going sideways, but it is building up some liquidity to the upside right here. So I think if we can get this break right here, I might take this because I think it'll come up to this at least, and then we could either set the break even or take some profits on that VWAP line. Got that the little rocket out because I don't expect a big one right now. It could. Let me just get rid of this one right here. Got some liquidity above here. We need to see this break of structure right here. Wow, 38 people just like that. That's awesome. Cool. We growing, guys. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Yeah, it's crazy sideways chop. I mean, we were in some lunchtime, and it's at NFP, so we're gonna have some back and forth. So I'm not looking to like hold huge today. It's just more like take some trades, take some scalps. Me personally, I do love NFP because there is some good movement that happens, but you got to be able to know how to trade it. It's not for everybody. Just still notifying people. See, general trade, post, boom. think I got everywhere. Yeah, got everywhere. Cool. All right, everybody, what's up? All right, it's back. Preet, how you doing? J. Patrick, what's up, man? It's black. What's black? I don't know what's black. Hopefully you can get the market out of its consolidation. It's been in the 70-point range for the last hour and a half. Yeah. Brad Heron, how you doing, buddy? Carla Lugo, good morning. Happy Friday to you as well. How's it going, guys? What's up, pluses? Marvin Machado, what's up? This range has been killing me today. Yeah, well, I took one trade. See, this was a noon, so just reaccumulation, right? We could see something like wicks out bottom, mitigates more of this, then shoots up. I don't know. Doesn't want to seem to get under this this band right here. I'm just trying to pass this alpha today at least. Maybe 2 alphas. I have almost 2 passed, I think, or something like that. Well, let me get my I actually want to take this on my funded. It's a little bit less risky. I haven't traded much on my funded this week, sadly. How's everybody's evening going last night? And how did you trade today? I did come down here and take this little bit of liquidity, so I just wicked out the bottom here. Let's really just take a step back and look for a second here. Let's just pull out this. So we had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. And now we're just going sideways since 1216. So we're at essentially a higher high on the internal. Really, we need to see this right here break. Then be really good. But I think we can go for these highs right now. So I'm going to enter that. This is a 53-point stop. I'm gonna leave room for. Actually, I'm gonna put my stop directly underneath this line, just for a little bit added protection, which would be about a 6 micro for me. That way, it leaves me enough room to do a DCA right here and come back up. Yeah, perfect. 6 micro if it closes up here. Let me go over to my funded, and I need 20 micros. Yeah, the sideways chops going nuts. Not for play. Not for play, says Brian Goldstein. Marvin Machado, I did take some profits, but definitely can't hold trades long. Yeah. It's stupid to hold on NFP, in my opinion. What's up, Mark? David Rowe. What's up, man? Just caught a banger buy off 1 minute order blocks. Watched a few of your videos last night. Awesome, man. Here we go, guys. If it closes above here, I'm going to take a stab at it, see what we can do. Hopefully it wants to come back home to the VWAP line up here. Yeah, them order blocks work, man. If you want to get numb to it, just take a bunch of 1 minute order blocks. Should be good to go. What's up, Gene on Weller? How you doing, man? Michael Johnson, what's up, buddy? Tiffany took the sells this morning on YM and NQ. Beautiful. By the way, what's ES doing? Sideways. Gosh. Please get some movement. Waiting for these highs, right? This morning was great. 2,500 between 2 eval accounts. Beautiful. Kevin Randolph, what's up, man? Dude, I still haven't get back to you. Gosh dang, I'm sorry about that. Let me write that down, actually. My head's been spinning. I haven't forgot. I have a list of things I'm trying to get back to here. There you go. David Rowe passed 50K this morning during London. Looks like a good opportunity to sit out. You can. I'm just going live to stay live. That's it. Hang out with you guys. Maybe take some trades. Good afternoon, Smoke. What's up, buddy? Unless there's a clear move at Alex. You know what would be really nice to see? Just some nice, big, fat freaking candle right now. Just taking out these highs and closing solid and nice pullback. That'd be beautiful, right? Come on. I almost said it looks like volume's picking up, but nah. Do that. I think we're about to start pushing, though. I'm going to jump off. I will take stuff I shouldn't on a Friday and would rather just wait for next week. I hear you, man. You're welcome, buddy. Good seeing you. Eddie, what's up, buddy? David Westbury, good afternoon. TW, hey guys, I can't sign into my regular account on my iPad, but it's Tana. Tana, what's up? Good to see you. What's up, Rich DeBell? Rich, how's your trading been, man? There we go. Got some movement. Okay. Brian, don't get in. That's what I used to have to say. He's been so much better lately. You get in early. You'd be like, well, I thought it was going to go there. Just got out of one of the break. Got out of that one break even-ish. Went on a walk and came back and drawdown. So I'll take it. Probably will lit off now. Hopefully it lets off, right? So this liquidity is taken. Just have these two, and then let's just mark up some areas, right? Let's just do this. Do a ray. Boom. We have that area. We have this area. These are all targets, right? Little highs we can go after. That's good enough for now. Let's measure down, right? Not really anything here, but we do have all these lows. So we have this liquidity down here. Just call it that. Little tiny FEG. Yeah, Rich has been really impressive lately. Pretty good. Got 6 funded 50Ks, which is a big step up for me. That's beautiful, man. Great job. Harvard says if we break this high, we should see a big push. It's been sitting inside the range for hours. Yeah, I think it should, right? They're protecting these lows for some reason. Seems to want to push. I mean, the VWAP's right here, so that that's on our favor. We have these little highs it wants to break, probably. We got liquidity here, here, and then here, and then before that we're in a block. So this is actually a 1 minute block right here that it could mitigate. So that would be a sell block, right? Look at that. Look, it just matches right up with that VWAP line. So everything's telling me it should go up to here. Let me look down. Let me just. I mean, obviously we have these areas right here, but look, this is balanced at least, right? That wick matches with that wick. So there's no like space in here. That wick matches with that. So this is all balanced out. The only thing down here would be this potential buy block, I guess you'd say. I don't know. It's a little messy down there. Little buy block there. And then the other, I was talking to Aiden, my son, a little earlier. There is the idea of it could come lower into this 1 hour block right here, hit 50% on this 50% line, then go up. Something's going to happen. I don't think it's just going to sit here all day. I do think they want to take these. Yeah, Rich, man. Actually, let me mark that up. That's fantastic, brother. Richie Rich. Boom. Pretty good. Got 6 funded 50Ks, which is a big step up for me. Beautiful, man. Let's celebrate Rich today. There's some more volume. There actually is. I mean, look at that. There's a nice big bar down. Getting more bars back up. If we can get a nice close right up here, my gosh, that could be a good trade, actually. All the highs. Oh my gosh, I gotta clean this up. By the way, if you're new to the stream, guys, we've been this is our 4th week, the end of our 4th week together. We've traded 49 times. We've won 32 times, 10 losses, 7 break evens, 76% win rate, which is pretty good. Pretty good. Could it be better? I don't know. I guess. I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with it. Here we go. Stop below here. Let's get a close. We get a close there. This is how my brain thinks. We get a close there. We have this block, this little 1 minute block. We'd have this block. So we'd basically have 2 blocks guarding us, essentially, to get out. And I'm leaving room for a potential DCA right here. So like if it came down to here, I'd get in one more time, same size, and try to ride it up. Maybe a little bit higher, maybe like right there. I'm sitting out for sure. Yeah, do it if yeah, that's great discipline if you need to. Richie Rich used to get that back in grade school, a fair amount. Yeah. Congratulations, Rich. Yes. Was anyone able to get 80% off Apex yesterday? I thought someone said the deal got extended to yesterday, but it didn't work for me, and Apex is telling me it ended on September 2nd. I didn't yesterday. Let me see the last email I got from Apex. I remember seeing it extended. Uh, 90% extended PA activation discounts on September 3rd. I got an email. Let me see. I don't want to miss this either. Okay, we're about to maybe close. Hold on. Wicked out the top here. So this is gone. There's only literally this high. So we got this high, this high, this high. You see a strong close though. Is that yeah, I'm in. Hold on. Little delayed. But it got me in. Good. It filled me where I wanted anyways. That's crazy. So I got in that trade. I don't really love the close, but it was a solid close. Okay, so I have to be true to the game, right? See how that closed solid? It's a little wicky. I didn't get in on my funded because I want to see a stronger close. So if it comes back up here and closes better, I'll probably get in. I think it wants to hit this VWAP, guys, at least. Let me look back on that for you, buddy. Hold on. Add alert. Add alert. There we go. Now I can go look for you. In order to assure everyone gets their activation emails on time, it's set up in order. More time. We'll extend the PA activation until September 4th at noon. So yesterday at noon it ended. Yeah, it was September 4th at noon Eastern. Hopefully that helps you. But hey, you know what, man? They have sales all the time, so you're not like missing anything. They always have sales. They always go on sale. Just wait. Yeah, they're always on sale. That's like literally how they make their money. I thought you were able to. We're in already, but I got out at break even to wait for the actual move. That's what I say about you, man. Yeah, you always get it early. I love it. Oops, but you're so much better nowadays than you used to be. I thought they were only extended the activation discount. Maybe that's what it is. It's let me read that. $37 resets and PA fee discount extended on all size evals in order to assure everyone gets their activation emails in time. Okay, so it wasn't even for the sale. The sale ended on the 2nd, I guess. That was September 2nd, 11:59 p.m. for the 90% off sale. Okay, that's what it was. Hopefully it plays off this block. I mean, you know, the only thing in our favor right now is this close solid above. So whatever you're risking, just make sure you risk appropriately on NFP. I thought the only... Yeah, thanks, Curtis. Okay, thanks. Eddie Farias said, your talk last week about losing accounts made sense and made me feel better. Had just lost $750K in funding on Top Step from big mistake. Funded this week, $150K on Take Profit Trade and $550Ks on Top Step X at $400K funded. Just like that, boom. You're back in the races, you know? And yeah, what's going to happen, Eddie, is you're going to get funded. You're going to lose funded. You're going to get funded. You're going to lose funded. You're going to get funded. You're going to lose funded. Then you're going to get a massive payout. Then all of it was worth it, you know? And then you're going to get more consistent with payouts. Yeah, it was just an activation deal. You're correct, Todd. After reading that, my PA got the discount yesterday. What's up, Solomon? What's up? One any trades. How you doing, buddy? I'm going long here. Yeah, we're going long. We're already long, or I'm long. Hopefully, it comes up at least to this VWAP. I kind of gave it some breathing room because it's NFP today. I'm going to DCA down here, guys. I left enough room on this alpha account for my $1,000 daily loss that if it comes down here, I'll enter with another 6 micros, but exit both right here. So in fact, I'll modify order. I'll show you. I'd have 12 right there if I lose, right? So it'll come down here. I enter again for 1 or for 6 more, and then hopefully get out here, break even, and then wait for another break of structure. Man, choppy today. All right, this block's gone. Just tag that little tiny fair value gap. Let's see if that does anything. Oh. Rejected. It's crazy how it'll play off even a little baby fair value gap like that. I'm not saying it's going to go all the way, but I use the same strategy, Chad. I just risk less. That's it. Same strategy, just risk less. Yep. Yeah. Thank you, Brian. I'm a firm believer in not sitting on an eval for a month just to lose. Like, that's silly to me. Unless that's a lot of money for you, like an eval. Like, I'm not trying to discredit it. You're welcome. All right, she wanted that. Maybe. Hopefully she comes up now. What will happen now, guys, is honestly, if this comes and closes above like here, I might add to my position. We'll see though. NFP, you gotta really handle your risk properly. It could literally come down right now and just wick us out. You know, like there's no. It's more about managing your risk on that NFP than anything. Having a little bit of an edge, managing your risk better. I tend to win usually on NFP though. Guys, tap that like button below the video for me, and just tap this, tap the thumbs up on the stream as many times as you can. Carluga, I blew an account on purpose just to get that out of the way. I still do that. I play it. Like, if it's too low, I'll just be like, screw you. I want to start over anyways, you know. But with you guys, this has been a slow week. I ain't gonna lie. Like, the first 3 weeks, I passed 9 Apex accounts, one at a time. 8 Apex accounts, almost 9. And then these, I have 2 alphas right now. Just kind of been going back and forth this week. Didn't take much on my funded this week. You're gonna have weeks like this, but it's good practice, right? Overall, though, we're a good win ratio, 76% overall for over 49 trades or so, 47 trades. Yeah. Where it's impossible to win for training people. Like, impossible? What do you mean by that? Like, just make it impossible to win? Come on, let's push up. Why are you so quiet all of a sudden? Every time I put it on the other music, I need to get another playlist. This is already, like, when you're streaming 3 hours a day. I've been streaming 3 hours a day for 4 weeks. Like, you hear the same music over. It's like, holy crap. But there's not that much more music without getting copywritten. Yeah. Just lose. Just don't even tell them. They'll be like, this doesn't even work. Nothing you say works, ever. Carla, you intentionally blew an account. She got mad and just pushed the button, it seems. She's been doing good, though. Here we go. Let's play off that stupid little fair value gap. Come on. I mean, where there's like $100 trying to draw that left. What's the point, really? Yeah, I might as well start it over at that point. Especially you get these Apex deals where it's like $18. My gosh, I'm sorry, guys, but if $18, if you're losing $18 is going to affect you know, like, oh no, I blew that account, then you probably shouldn't be trading. Because I have a rude awakening for you. It's going to get worse. So I'm a huge believer. I'm still long too. I'm a huge believer in losing as fast as humanly possible with the best setups as humanly possible. So even if you could take, like I was saying before, even if you could take a bunch of B setups, like with mitigation scalping, like I teach in, let's see, Futures Made Easy or whatever. If you just use that one strategy in Futures Made Easy and just take 100 trades with it as fast as humanly possible, even on a back test, just keep taking them, preferably with prop firms, so you could feel a little bit, right? Bob, I've heard that a VWAP on RTH chart tends to be more accurate than with the ETH chart since RTH is anchored to the market open. What's your thoughts on this? Actually, I have no thoughts on that, bro. No, I have no thoughts on that at all. Let me see. I have to even look. I ain't gonna lie. I'm looking what RTH and ETH is. I should probably know that, but I've been trading for 10 years, never even heard those abbreviations. Regular trading hours. Okay. Electronic trading hours. Got it. So let me reread your question now that I understand that. I've heard that VWAP on a regular trading hours tends to be more accurate than the electronic trading. I don't know, bro. I have no thoughts on it. All I know is this has been accurate for me, whatever I'm using, VWAP. I blew several accounts because they were too low. Yeah. Not talking about you, Solon, just in general how people go about props. I get it. She had to like finish that prop. She's like, screw this thing. I'm done with this one. Are we getting another push or what? Come on. Again, I'm going to add 6 more here, so I'm just going to get that ready. I'm not in on this with my funded. I would maybe consider getting them funded up here, like if I could see some better pushes, you know. Maybe that's all it needed. Go. I agree 100 billion% with what you just said right there. I don't think anybody should be copy trading. Me personally, I think you should learn to pass one at a time, and only until like it's almost impossible. Like once you get a huge track record and build confidence in yourself that you could pass these over and over and over again, I wouldn't be copy trading. Personally, I think that's what you mean. But I agree 100%. I think you should pass one. Did I lose you guys? Is my stream still live, guys? Let's see. It's just a reconnecting. My internet had some kind of outage. But I agree 100% with that. I don't think you should be copy trading. Okay, good. How long was I gone? Okay, good. All right, good. All right, when's that push? Guys, if it hits, all right, so let's look at this. We got some liquidity building up here. If we could break right here, that would actually be a decent entry too. If you weren't in this. Something like, again, I would still probably have a decent sized stop for this, but like if you weren't in this yet, this is what I would do. That's not financial advice. I'm talking about for a prop firm. You want to trade your own money, do what you want, but I'm not telling you to trade real money. You can't do it. I didn't even hear you cut out. Okay, good. Good. Do you also lose your funded accounts, or are you talking about your eval? I do lose funded accounts here and there. Yeah. I think anybody who tells you they don't lose their funded accounts is ridiculous. I mean, I've known a few people, but they're like super cautious. I'm more of a risky kind of person, Chad. I always have evals on standby that are ready to pass at any given moment. So like if I fail one, then I just replace it really fast. You know what I mean? So I'm not sitting there waiting over and over and over again. Yeah, this music fits the weight of the candles to do something, building the drama. Hopefully by the time the epic music comes back, it'll be pushing up. I hope. Jeez, slow push down. A lot of times you got to look, okay, this is slow. This is pushing super slow down. Why didn't they just rip it through yet? So that's what I've got confidence in so far. If this can push down here, then I'll add another position. If I get out, then I lose my 1,000 on this account, and I just switch to the other account. It's all good. Let me go into that real quick, Chad. How I view funded accounts real quick. So I look at the overall prop firms and funded just as a general giant like risk reward. So if I have, let's say this is what I teach all my students, like you're going to lose accounts, right? Most likely. I've had some students that like win their first time and they actually get payouts the first time, which is crazy. It's very rare. Let's say it took you 100 tries, right? Let's say you average $30 a piece. It's $3,000, $3,000 worth. You finally get a payout. Let's just say a $5,000, or let's say $6,000. Just make it rounded up. You know, but that was your education. You just doubled your money, right? So the same thing with funded. Like I'm not sitting there like trying to be super safe with my funded and like wait all month, especially when I'm down. There's nothing worse than being like in heavy drawdown overall on the account. You have to build it back up. Like I blow those, like I don't blow those, but if I'm like within 500 and like I'll take my best setup. If I fail it, whatever, I'm just replacing it really fast, you know. But I'll use like Take Profit Trader and different companies like that you can literally be paid out the next day and right back on it, you know. Let's see. I wish I would have heard your copy trading advice sooner. Yeah, you know, it's all exciting and fun, copy trading, until you take a bad trade and you lose everything and your life sucks. You know, I'd rather just take more trades and just spread the risk out. Now, I will copy trade if I see an A+ setup. Like I just see so much confluence moving to the upside. I'll copy trade all of them. All right, I'm going to enter my other 6, and there we go. I'm in with 12 now. So if it takes me out, it takes me out, and we just add it to the losses. It's not looking good. I ain't gonna lie. Like this just went underneath that. What? Like this. Okay, just wicked out that, so maybe it'll hold. I don't know. Don't have huge hope, but you see what I did there. I added one position, kept the same size stop, decreased my distance to break even dramatically, right? So this is how we get out a lot of bad trades. I'm not expecting this one to win. This has been chopping like crazy anyways. So I do expect, however, once this loses and takes this out, to potentially come out. Okay, cool. Let's add that loss to the books on NFP. First trade of the day, a loss, sadly. But it's okay. It's okay. So let's just add it. We got 11 losses. So 32 wins live, 11 losses, 7 break evens. That makes this. But now we got to set up for the win. We got to set up for our win, guys. A big win. It's about to happen. So 32 wins, 11 losses. That is 70, rounded up 75. 75% still. Part of the deal, guys. So now we just go for the next one. 1 minute. All right, we wicked out the bottom, took some liquidity. That's great. Let's look where we can potentially look for buys off of. So we have this block right here that it's coming to. I think that maybe the original thought might actually be happening, Aiden, where it might want to go lower into this 1 hour block, but we'll see. Let me kind of zoom out. Let me take off VWAP. I'm going to start cleaning up my mess here. Took liquidity there, so don't need that. We have more liquidity to the upside on the short term. Man, if it can close above this after taking liquidity, this could be a good buy. I'm still buy bias for sure. Pivot time. Come on, Nas. Push. Yeah, I think we're about to have a big trade right now. So I'm gonna move this down to here. Entry. We'll take another stab at it, or I'm gonna take another stab at it. You do what you want. I'm gonna take another stab at it here. I'm gonna switch accounts because this alpha, that alpha's maxed. Let me switch to this one for the day. Got a fresh 1,000 on that one. You're gonna lose trades, guys. That's part of the whole winning deal. It's about what you do after you lose a trade that matters. Okay, so if you like freaked out just now, you probably were risking too much if you just freaked out. Like, everything's managed risk. What I tell everybody is, as soon as you get in the trade, assume you lost the trade, right? It really helps your psyche. Like, instead of being like, I gotta win. No, you already lost. As soon as you got in, you lost. Okay, now if you win with your edge, fantastic. Now you're profiting, right? This could be a big one, guys. Breaks this little high right here. Took out this. On the 5, we wicked it. We wicked out all this. Touched this 1 minute block. I think it could come up here. Doesn't want to get below this at all. This line. And the VWAP's up here just needs to be taken. And why am I overall buy bias? Let me just go show you that. Okay. We came all the way down here. Let me get rid of the VWAP for a second. Clean up. We came all the way down here to our 1 hour block. Then, technically, this is a little break right here. If you want to get technical, closed solid above here because it went lower low, lower high because this didn't go lower than here. So as soon as this happened, I was buy bias bouncing off this 1 hour block. For more confirmation, you had this really stronger. Oh, that's not even a pullback. So it already broke structure here for me and showed weakness. So like I'm buy bias from there. Now, with that said, I'm buy bias until it breaks the structure because I'm not going to sell into a buy block and I'm not going to buy into a sell block, right? We just tapped the 3 at 2, so it should go up. If we can get a break structure, we good. Yeah, I'm seeing that on my other screen too, Ro. David. Here we go, boys and girls. I'd be even happier if it gave us another low and then we can make this our entry, but it's all good. Can't get everything. Can't get everything you want, right? I would maybe say I'll even take this with my funded because it wicked out this liquidity. Yeah, I'm going to. Hold on. Let me calculate that. 46. Do 8 micros on that, and then 46. Gotta calculate that for my 24 micros on that. Boom, ready to go. Locked and loaded. I wish it would give me one more low so I have a lower entry. Better stop. What's up, Zane? Good to see you. I had to break a habit to pick the tops and bottoms. Yeah, I agree. Come on. How have you been, Zane? I'll look at like gold or something while this is happening. See what the heck's going on with gold. Oh wow, it's trash. And technically, you have this giant block here. Wants to get above here. We had all-time highs again. Definitely. Look at this. Sheesh. I mean, what do you do about this with gold? My gosh. Yes. Push it down. YM. All right. Here we go. What do you want to do? What do you want to do, NQ? Hopefully we get one nice big move and we can just take this sucker all the way up to here. Call it a day. Take out all that liquidity, that liquidity, that liquidity, and fill this block. I mean, essentially, if this move worked out, I mean, because, you know, look at it. It's freaking sideways, take out. I mean, usually that's what happens. That's what we're in right now. So it's lining up. Just really slowly. Nothing with gold. Nah, there's nothing with gold. Yeah. Have you been getting your daily payouts, Zane? Oh, yeah. It's nice, right? They're quick on it, too. They're definitely my favorite prop firm right now. All right, somebody call Rockefeller. Let's get this volume going. All right, we might get that rocket right now. Actually, we're running out of space for this. I'm going to get in right here where this white line closes. Let me actually tell Futures Bootcamp. Got to text them. I'm not running any futures cash accounts right now. I run Forex cash accounts, but I trade NQ just like I do NASDAQ or US 100 on Forex. The reason I do that is because I don't have time to monitor all of it, and I have some deals with some brokers and stuff. They kind of like copy my trades. I'm just going to say it like that. I don't even promote it. See, something you'll never see me do, guys. Like I could promote right now a broker and secretly make massive commissions off of you. And then I could say, hey, follow this guy or even follow my trades. I think that's crazy and dangerous and borderline illegal. But I stay anonymous on brokers and trade for them, and they send me money, and I never promote or tell anybody to ever copy my trades. Does time-based liquidity come into play in your trading? PDH, PDL, Asia. I like to take out, not really time, but I like to take out the highs and lows of those. I do use them as targets, and I see like where it can take price to, if that's what you mean. But yes, on the short term, on how I scalp, I'm primarily just seeing current liquidity areas and just looking for ways to take out the current liquidity. It's just a lot easier to scalp. If I'm holding a trade, especially at Forex or something, I'm going to be looking at the Asian highs, Asian lows, London, that kind of thing as well. But with futures, like with these short bursts on these prop firm accounts, I don't really. Now, if I'm there, like if I'm already there, like I'm at Asian low, London low, boom, 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 I'm like, let's take that sucker out. Then we'll look for an entry. Like if I'm right there, but I believe that all the lows and highs and stuff are like, yeah, they're all like up here, and we're way down here now. So that's more reason to go up, right? Like we need to go back up towards those areas. Actually, I think I have what was that? What was that one indicator? Asian high. I was using one the other day. I was liking that one. Yeah, look. See, all of them are up here. So we could essentially only go for the highs now. So it's more buy bias right there. Absolutely. So if it wanted to take any highs out, we have Asian high is green and London high is blue. I suppose we took those out already, huh? We did take those out. So we took those out during the pre-market, and then we took the lows out. So there's nothing left. there's just literally nothing left. Use yours, it's better. What is yours? Session highs and lows TW. Look at you go, Tana. Session highs and lows TW. World Mom. What you got? Oh, I do like that. I like how it's all the way over here. Good for you. I like that. I wish, Tana, I could change this Asian high color on my black. It's like really dark. Center line's 54. Nice, love it though. Unless, other than me being able to change this, you probably have a white background. Other than that, I love this. I'm sure it's correct. I haven't checked. Yeah, it looks like it's correct. London low. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. There's Asian. Perfect. Yeah, nice. You can change it? Am I tripping right now? I don't see it. Shows when those points get taken by switching them to a thin line. Oh, that's cool. So it just switch. Oh, so they're thick. All right, let me actually go back and see. So were they? Okay, so they're real thick. Ooh, I like that, Tana. Look at you go. Oh, what are you doing to me? So that's cool. So we have London highs thick right now, and then once it pushes through, it's still London. That's so. I really do love this, Tana. Might have to steal this from you. Let's see. Let's see if it goes thin. And oh, still London. What time is it? 8:58. Yeah, that's such a smart idea. Boom. So New York hit 9:30, took out London high, went thin. That's really cool. I like that. And now we have London low, thick, and Asian low, thick. Here's yesterday's high. Ooh, I really like this, Tana. And boom. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's cool. You hid your code, so now you're gonna have to give it to me. I'm just kidding. You can keep it. It's yours. Oh, we got some push up above that. Ooh, I like this, guys. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. No, I really like that. It's really nice. Yeah, everybody go get her indicator. That's really good. Yeah, the one with TW next to it. Session highs and lows TW. Session highs and lows TW. Actually, I'll do you one. Do you another one. Watch this. Session highs and lows. Boom. Yep. Everybody in chat, if you want that indicator. Made it easy for you. Just click add to favorites. I approve. You have to kill me first? Well, let's see. Watch this. You want to know something crazy? Nah, I ain't gonna do it. That's stupid. I ain't doing that. Just AI is getting crazy anymore. I could be like, hey, I want my indicator to look like this. Give it a screenshot. It's freaking crazy. It's dumb. That's a clean indicator, though. It works really good. All right, we need this close above this little high, guys. I'm not just taking a trend line break. Yeah, I'm just kidding too, obviously. Oh, is it public? That's funny. I didn't even notice. Oh, let me see. Sessions. Yeah, sessions high lows. What was that called? Sessions high and low. I spell it wrong. There it is. Jeez. All right. I mean, I actually didn't favorite it. I need to favorite it. I don't see it. The source code isn't public though. It's all good. I don't really care. I'm just saying that yours works, so I'm going to use yours. I don't think I made it private. Yeah, it's all good. Could come up from here, guys, but I'm not getting in this. I just want to see a break for sure before I do it. Then maybe we can take this out. I don't know. Basically, we have this liquidity up here. And this liquidity, and this liquidity. Maybe it wants to come back up to these areas, but I don't think so. Could I do that? Some street cred. There. Good. Great indicator. That's great. I'll probably always have these on the rest of my career, Tana. I like this. I used to just mark them out all out on my own. So. Building liquidity downside. Aiden, how you doing with your accounts, buddy? I don't want you doing something stupid on NFP. You're being kind of quiet on me. Everybody should leave Tana some comments. I was just thinking, man, I need some carbs. I got this juice. There we go. Nice volume. Nice volume. Have this pool tournament up in Jacksonville next week. I'm trying to figure out when I could stream. Oh yeah, I gotta put this in the group. Crap. Got thrown off by that amazing indicator. I'm sending this out. I think it's due to go up if it closes above there. This is a rather slow NFP day. Usually it's like, not usually, but a lot of times it's better for me. Like it just moves better. Stupid texting thing ain't working. What the heck? Come on. It's crazy. It's not letting me text out right now. I connected to the internet. Yeah, I mean, I'm still seeing bars move. It's just a site. My texting site ain't working, guys. So, Futures Bootcamp not letting me get it to you. 92 watching, 36 likes. Hit that like. Yeah, let's go, Greg. Come on. Freaking NFPs. Everybody's avoiding NFP today. It's so choppy, and we're stuck in here. And I already took liquidity. Like, why isn't it up yet? It should be up here now. Right? Is Apex the only profit that wants you to submit a written and/or video trading plan? That's only what I've seen, Phil B. They're making it harder and harder. They don't want to pay. Like they pay, but they don't want to pay. Like it's very clear, right? Very clear. I think we're about to get this big trade here, maybe, guys. So I'm getting gateway timeouts. Can't get the stinking text message out, man. Come on. By the way, anyone in Texas, I can't even text message you or call you anymore. I probably can for Futures Bootcamp. They just passed that law. I can't even like text you even if you wanted me to, I think. I literally have to like pay a $200 fee and like get approval. So all my customers in Texas are like screwed, I guess. Is Apex only appropriately? They will only ask for that if they don't think you're trading appropriately. Supposedly. Yeah, right. All right, get ready, guys. I'm getting ready for both my funded. I need to take something on this funded, so. I don't love this slow movement up, but like if we can get this break, we can do it. Come on. Yeah, I can't text message out. Sorry, Futures Bootcamp people. It's like broken. All right, see if we can get this volume up, take these highs out. It'd be a good little trade right there just by itself. If we take these highs, it's a 0.84 set to break even. Probably go for these highs right here. If it goes where I want it to go, where the heck did that freaking block go? Did I delete it? Put an alert here. I already have one. 5 minute or 1 minute? At least right here, I'd say. Can't ask for much on a NFP, but I usually do really good on NFP. I have like $20,000 days on NFP, depending on the volume. Make sure that you can trade it. By the way, actually, let me just verify with Take Profit if there's no news going on right now. Hold on 1 second. That's probably a smart thing to do. Always check your news, boys and girls. See if you're allowed to. Calendar. So non-farm payroll. It's just at 8:30. Come on. Don't love the slow movement up, but if we can get a nice strong solid close, I'll take it. You're killing it. Yes, Tristina, you're always killing it. All All right, we have it crossing. We need to close. Going 6 seconds. I'm in. All right. Go. Let's see if we're liquidity or not. Can we get a rocket, please? Can we just start taking out these highs? That'd be amazing. High. High. All right, we needed some better music than this. I can't do this right now. Well, you know what? Let me go here. I think it was around here. It was a good one. Don't you wick. We push through those highs. And we get a rocket, please. A rocket. Come on. Keep going. Even on the 5 minute, it only wicked out the bottom. So there's no strongness. It's more bullish than bearish for sure. Took out the bottom, reaccumulated, took out the bottom. Now it's time to expand, right? It just come up like there's nothing holding it back. It's some new freaking law that just came out, Phil B. Actually, I could tell you. Texas law affects your outreach. So it's Texas Senate Bill 140. It treats commercial text and voice calls the same under state telemarketing rules, which that's a great thing because there's a lot of crappy spam and stuff, you know. Any business making telemarketing calls sending promotional text Texas residents. So even if you like opted in to receive text from me in Texas, like I'll have to register with a Texas Secretary of State, $200 fee. Get prior express written consent. I mean, if it becomes a problem, I'll do that, I think. So right now, I just told everybody, don't freaking text anybody in Texas right now. I'm going to get in trouble for that. Above the future stacking blue line. Beautiful. No more drunk text. Let's see, hold on, let me catch up with you. You text A+ setup? Yes, I do. Chad Hughes. Nicholas Christian said the texts are a lifesaver at work. Yeah. Plus, it's a great group of people. Yeah, they are good. Everybody in there is just like on the same mission together. Apex, you need to stop at 2:30. Yeah, this whole kids back in school thing is crazy, right? Trying to get used to that again. It happened so fast. This summer was like the fastest summer ever, wasn't it? Come on, let's just rip through these highs. Let's get a massive candle, call it a day. I think if it just ripped through, I would probably, I don't know. I might end the stream after we just win. For everyone, you could kill it in the morning with Bethany or Christian, then lunch, workout, then Bob, afternoon, money for everyone. Yeah, that's what we're trying to cover all areas, you know. We even do some London sessions. Pretty cool. trying to be like the #1 out there, you know, just where you don't have to keep going to different places. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this year is just nuts. Constant running around all the time. They just keep asking and asking for more. Guys, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, I stream live every day between 1 and 3, sometimes 1 and 4. It's been requiring me to go to the gym quite often more, but I've been sitting way too much. Because usually my trading in the morning is like 30 minutes max. I don't like sitting in the charts all day, but I do like hanging out with you. So I enjoy hanging out with you guys. I don't like sitting on the charts all day. So my real trading and what I teach is technically to trade 15, 30 minutes a day, sometimes an hour a day, because really my primary people are older, you know, 35, 40-year-olds and up that have careers and families, and who wants to sit on the charts all day, you know? Like, that's not my thing. Ron Johnson, there you are, buddy. Rock it up. Let's go. Ron Johnson. Take Profit sent an email about 2:30. Need to be out. Sorry, I said Apex. Wait, what? Take Profit. Oh. Take Profit sent an email about 2:30. Need to be out. So I need to be out of this trade in Apex or in Take Profit. Okay. Well, I'm taking. I'll show you. Actually, shoot. All right, I just took 5,000 plus because you're freaking me out. So I got out of my Take Profit. I just took 5,000 profit over 5 accounts. Thank you for that, Christina. And just to be safe, I appreciate that. Got to pay attention to them rules, and I didn't see the emails, so that's kind of sketch. Because I checked their calendar. So if I didn't see an email and you didn't say something, see, it pays to be on these dang. See, that's the thing. We're all a team here. You just really helped me, because that could have been bad. Oh, it was a mistake. Either way, I'm good. I grabbed some profits off the table. I'm good. So either way, it's better safe than sorry. Appreciate that. I wanted to get a little bit of money. You know, I had to grab a little bit of money for the weekend. It was actually 1,100 times 6 overall on these accounts. Well, pretty much close to it. It's what we just grabbed together. I'm just holding this for now. I can't believe it. Like, I should have just grabbed some of this right here, but my gosh, like, when is it going to ever take a high? Like, this is stupid. It's not playing nicely today, is it? Yeah, I appreciate that, Tristina. Yeah, I thought it was, 8:30 non-farm payroll. But you just never know. Yeah, it'd be amazing if we can get this up to 100. If we get it to 130, we broke the record. We've been sitting around 120 throughout the week. I know this is pretty good for NFP. Like, I ain't complaining at all. Like, I'm pretty happy hanging out with you guys during NFP. And guys, if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Go live every day between 1 to 3 or 4 p.m. Tap that thumbs up button on the stream. And also, if you can, hit the like button one time underneath the video. That will help get the stream out there. But I'm just gonna hold this. Why not? Like, I don't even care if I lose this. This is a eval. That's the mindset I actually have. That's why I pass so many of these things. So, just posting what they said. Okay, Wes says, want to laugh and trying to get myself to trade bigger. Just took 2 minis by accident instead of 2 micros. Made a quick 350. Let's go, Wes. Maybe you should screw up more often. No, I'm just kidding. Nerds, NQ, YM, ES, RTY. Just shifted long green. Nice. Beautiful. That just touched me. Look at my cat. I'm like, what the heck? YM behaves so much better, just so much less volume is all. I used to trade YM, but NQ pays all my bills nowadays. I mean, honestly, NQ is my baby. YM was my baby. It used to be all I traded. Love it, Greg. Yeah, the email came out after 4 a.m. Wes, you achieved bigger trading. Yes, bigger trading unlocked. Just took that mini dub, honestly. No regrets, though. The only problem is there's nothing really holding it down here. There's no block all the way up. See how this wick's higher than this, is higher than this, is higher than this. But technically, there's nothing to bounce off of. It's just straight down. So this block, this 1 minute block. So at least I profited on the funded. I mean, with YM, the problem with the YM is I literally will increase my risk because of the speed of it. So I just stopped trading it. What's ES doing? Bummer. That's crazy. Two times. The first time we were in a trade that we broke even at. No, we lost that one. We were doing pretty good. It was looking like it was going to push. It was looking like it was going to push. We were profiting heavy, and then bam, lost. This time, hopefully it doesn't do that to us again. But I ain't no quitter. It's all good. We do have these 1 minute blocks, so to lose this trade, we basically would have to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 1 minute blocks. 1 minute little blocks. So hopefully it holds. The fact that it closed solid above that, let me see this 5 minute again. Still didn't close anything above a 5 minute, but once it closes above this on the 5, this high, we should be good because we created a lower low here, and this would be a higher high. And that's a lie. That's actually a lie. If you look here, this is the higher high, so it would be safe here. Everything under this is not important until this low is taken, right? So everything is just sideways here. So this wouldn't be a higher high. This would be a higher high. This is just liquidity taken internally. So, man, we already have our higher low right here. This is our higher low now, and then we're expecting a higher high. Very basic stuff. I didn't get that take profit trader email, but I moved my break even it took on Apex when price retraced to entry. Yeah, I don't trade ES. I just use it to see, because NQ seems to be lagging a lot of times. Like you can go in here and see. Oftentimes, like this will push up first, and it's like, oh crap, let's go. So if we can see this push up, and also look at this. That's not right. Hold on. What is that between 925 and 950? So basically divergence. It's a good indication too. All right. Flat line on the clarity. I will say we did hit the 20 last. That's another reason to buy, is because this is now over the 30, or it hit over the 30, which is like an 85% chance it'll go to the 80 on my clarity indicator right here. So everything's saying it should go up. Like literally everything that I have. Price action, freaking order flow, freaking my indicator, liquidity. I mean, we're building liquidity here, but I still think it should go up before taking all that. I think it should come up here, then we can look for sells potentially. Like that S&P, brah. Yep. I didn't get that too proud. Okay. All right, this song's got to go. Sure. That was luck. I just pushed the button. It went right to classical. All right, let's get a high. Come on, let's take this out. This is stupid. Give us some volume. That's not even a high, but let's just take this out. Come on. Come on. Is that church music? It's not. I wouldn't mind going to that epic though. Get some epic going while we're in this trade. I got to get in the car to go to the PO post office, so that oughta moves the market up. Just throw a couple mil on there, might move it a little bit. Trimming 8, leaving 2, NQ. Let's go. Rocket, please. Yes, let's get a rocket out there. This isn't like a rocket location, but it can work. Sounds bockish. Yeah. Cup and handle now. Hold the longs. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, we took that one. This one's now taken. Let's create a new high for real. Come on. Push a little harder to actually create the high. Stop trapping this freaking market. Let's go. If it breaks this, it should come from these highs. Threw my 401k in. I put magnet on my screen. There you go. Let's get it, Chad. Inverse head and shoulders, cup and handle, hold longs. I'm holding longs. Can't hear crap, says boner bar. Jeez. Rocket Man. Clear PO3. Taking one more off. Awesome, buddy. Uh, 23748. That's where I have my overall. It's right up in there. 748 is fair value gap. There's one above there too. So I had mine right here. Looking for that. There's also one right here. Come on, man, push. Maybe 2 rockets will do it. You idiot. Just take the high. You took all that liquidity. Just take the high. Lots of orders at 74.8 on the Dom. Come on. Like I could have took profit, but it just wasn't enough. Like who cares if I only get $300, $400, $500? Like that was, I don't even know how much that was, but it was like not worth it. That's another thing I see a lot of you guys do is you'll take it off the table too fast, and it's like, it really wasn't even worth taking that much. I don't know. Like I want to see like pretty good amount. Like I'm trying to pass this thing, you know. It's coming down to pick you back up. I mean, technically we got this, but I don't like the wick, you know. If this is a strong solid close above here, this would be a pretty strong 5-minute block. Welcome, Kevin Randolph, to the party. I just saw that you joined us 39 minutes ago. Futures Bootcamp. Welcome aboard, buddy. I forgot I was in a trade right now. See, I was like dozing off. I literally went off like I literally started daydreaming. Like I was literally straight daydreaming and looking at different things. And I forgot I was in a trade and streaming. Oh, what's up, everybody? Man, NFP is killing me today. Jeez. Let's get this. You know what? Maybe this will help. Good old green juice. Probably should eat carbs too. I had nothing today. Oh, there's another one jumping. Well, you know, what's my target? Kind of want to feel it out, like what's past these highs, and maybe take it to here, at least a 1-to-1-ish. I'd love to have it come up to here. Let me take this off, Tana. Boom. Take this one off too. VWAP. See how VWAP lines up perfectly with this block and everything? I'd be really happy with the 1.4 right here. Like honestly, I don't need to break records. Just take me up to this VWAP line. Man. Let's see. Hopefully that made sense. Got a nice little doji here, so maybe it'll push up. We'll see. 1.5, please. Yes. So here's to you. Cheers to you, my green juice of the day. Let's get it. Come on, baby. You know, 3 o'clock's coming, so might be good. Oh my gosh, you idiot. Bro, it plays this song one more time, I'm gonna go nuts. It's just like randomly picking songs and it keeps playing the same song over and over again. Let's try this. I'm in an elevator. Do some AI generated chill music. Let's see what that is. Aiden should get on here and start playing the keyboard. If I don't know, my audio has a 2-second delay. Maybe try refreshing, Paul. I have been having some internet issues today, though. That's for sure. Yeah, actually, he can take requests. You on here, Aiden? Yeah, ask him. That'd be interesting. Master of Puppets. You ready, Aiden? You want to do it? Make the stream a little bit more interesting. You don't even have to like turn your video camera on. Just put the mic next to your keyboard. You can take requests and go crazy with it. What do you think? Who wants to hear Aiden play? On demand. My 17-year-old. Self-taught keyboardist. Go ahead and put a 1 in the box if you want Aiden to play for us. He's about to start a YouTube stream doing it. I think one of those Omegle. Yeah? Okay, Nicholas wants to hear you, Aiden. Jim does. All of a sudden, Aiden gets me to 200 viewers. Munar. Everybody wants it, Brad. Okay, Brad. Everlong Foo Fighter. Aiden, you don't have to go on video if you don't want to. I know that you you'd have to clean your room, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what your room looks like right now. Let me. I'm gonna send you the thing if you want to. That'd be sick, Rich. Aiden plays some guitar too. I'll send it to your Telegram just in case you want to jump on. I don't know if he wants to yet. I don't know why he wouldn't though. This is like his favorite thing on the planet to do. 10-second delay. My voice. Yeah, there's always going to be delay. Some people it's a minute, other people it's instant. So it just depends on the person. Let me hear mine. I got a gig down and everything, and I'm on low latency. I don't know. That was about 10 seconds for me. That looks good though. I can get rid of this. Boom. Looks a little better. I don't even need this. I don't even have that open, honestly. Just looking at my stream here on live. What keeps touching me? What's that cat again? Jeez. All right, we're getting some movement. Come on. Ugh. Every time I'm hopeful, it just like stops. It's like, nope. Aiden, I sent you an invite link. I sent you an invite link on Telegram. I don't know if you want to come on or not. That'd be interesting. It's got to be better than this music. I feel like I'm like back in the 80s with like a robot. Like this is like yeah, right. It's gonna go, right? It's gonna work. It's gonna happen. Come on, let's take out these highs. Let's go to this block. Hit that VWAP, call it a day. Let's go. Have a nice weekend. Johan. That's what it was, right? Hopefully profited at least. It is pretty slow right now, but I'm not going to get off now because at 3 o'clock it might push. I think by 3 maybe we'll get some movement up here. I'm not probably waiting for the 350 rocket today. I really want it to just push up. What are we playing? Like, this reminds me of that music on a keyboard, like the demo music. All right, we're going to switch to this one. This is all AI music, by the way. It's all like random. Ooh. Kitty. There we go. This little guy. We rescued this one. Got Two-Face. Indie. Oh, kitty, kitty. Okay. That's enough. Aiden, you there, man? You wanted to come on or not? Oh, there's 11-second delay from the clock. Was wondering why our entries were so different. So it's only 11-second delay. Like that's it. Because it was at some points. It was like some people had like a minute delay, just whatever YouTube was doing. You can try refreshing, but I think 10 seconds is pretty good for YouTube. So normal latency is 20 to 60 seconds delay. Low latency is what I have it set on. It's 10 to 20 second delay, good balance of quality chat. The next one down, if I wanted a 2 to 5 second delay, is literally, it's called ultra low, but that's limit resolution quality. So like the quality will start suffering really bad. It's the next level down. So the best I can do is literally 10 to 20 for. Yeah, you want to play on the stream, Aiden? People make requests and you just play. I just want to see what it's like. You don't have to. It was just an idea. What's up, Kelly? All right, we're going to try to chill hop AI. How do you think I feel? I have to say something and wait 10, 20 seconds for you guys to respond. You know? But ever song in like wedding style piano? You just tripped me out, bro. I have no idea what you just said. Is that copyright? Lo-fi? AI lo-fi? Play every song in wedding style piano music like when the bride enters vibe. Have you not seen people do this on social media? You know, I rarely pay attention to what anybody's doing. Maybe I should. I don't know. If I could find these songs, like I had to find the copyright version, non-copyright. This is getting ridiculous, guys. I'm like falling asleep. Maybe I need some caffeine. Caffeine and carbs. Come on. Do something. Like lose or something. Lose or win. Just do something. Still waiting on Aiden's reply. Apparently, I don't think he wants to do it, so I'm not going to push it. I just thought that'd be interesting. Try lounge. This is like the built-in music of the streaming software. All right, is that all you wanted? Let's go back up. Come on. We got some money today. It's good. I'm not in on my funded with this, so just so you know. I already took profits on my funded. Let me search that up. Let's see. That's a good idea though. Anywhere I can get non-copywritten pop songs to play on YouTube that are played on the piano. You can't legally play or monetize modern chart-topping pop songs unless you have permission. What's up, Bob? There we go. Let's get some movement here. Let's get some movement here, guys. Jeez. They're finally waking up. See you later, Rich. What the crap is this? No, you're killing me. Let's do Epic. Maybe Epic will work. See you, Patrick. All right, we're about to get this push. Look at this. It mitigated this area, pushed away from our entry. It did come down for you. Who was asking that earlier? Who wanted it to come down for you? It came down for you. Let's get that rocket now. The paint is almost dry, and I'm going to have to immediately go sweat at the gym after sitting for so long. It's killing me. It's a little mutt. They added way too many instruments in that. Come on, one giant candle. Take profit and run. Right here, I almost fell asleep. Dude, I was literally falling asleep on the stream. I wonder if that's ever happened. Like I swear it was literally like worst thing I could do is put on rain sound, right? Okay. Guys, we got to get my son to play. Aiden, you got to play for us. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. You'll make this candle go up. I invited you on Telegram. You hear the rain? I start snoring. What's nature sounds sound like? Now we're in the jungle. Okay, that was a really nice close. It kind of engulfed that body. It was a really nice bullish candle there. If it doesn't go up from here, guys, let's get out if it just starts going back. You got out, so push up. Aiden, you want to play? Everybody wants it. I don't know how it'll sound, but you might as well. Putting him on the spot. How about some indie rock? I invited you on Telegram, Aiden. You can just tell me yes or no. Ooh, I like that bullish candle. We got a little pin happening right now. You could play us to victory, a little Interstellar or something. Oh, okay. Yeah, that didn't look good. Hopefully this candle holds right here. 301. Okay, between 301 and 303 it's crazy. I forgot about that. Like our daily, like something magical happens or horrible at the same time. One or the other happens. We might get this push off right now. Only because this candle was beautiful, bullish candle right here. I'm hoping it like slingshots it off. Oh, Kelly said, please. Put him on the spot. Ambient. Live futures trading plus karaoke. Slingshot engaged. Come on, let's get that slingshot. Oh, I just realized there's an image thing right here. Let's see what that does. Overlay. That's kind of cool. I didn't realize that. The star Aiden. Imagine all the viewers. Yeah. Come on, let's slingshot this sucker up. Let's get to our TP. Call it a day. Yeah, it's pretty bad, Tana. I mean, you're on NFP on a Friday at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, so you're going to have that. This is part of the whole trading. Some people just avoid it completely, but I've had really huge days. I've had really good days on NFP, and as long as you can manage your risks, you don't have to have really bad days on NFP. Oh, there we go. It wants to push, but it's like, nah. We just got to get more buyers in. Oh, yeah, I was going to save that image. I want to test this out really quick. All right. Oh, Aiden. Oh, I love it. Come on. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Sort of. I don't know how to make it smaller, though. Look at my winnings. That wasn't intentional. Hold on, I'm trying to move that thing out of the way. Oh my gosh, hide it. Ah! Aiden, you could be playing something amazing right now. What are you doing? The bottom of the... Well, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. What are you afraid for? Just kidding. I gave you a link on Telegram to join me. So you don't have to show video or nothing if you don't want to. You can be our background music for a minute while we take this trade to victory up here at this VWAP and then enjoy our weekend. About to take the highs, boys and girls. Took the highs. See if we can take these highs, these next two highs in the 1 minute. Definitely moving my stop to break even now. I'm sick of this trade. So if I'm just moving my stop to break even. So I don't really care. I'm not going to get stuck in this if it goes down. That's for sure. So I'm expecting these highs to be taken. Come on, let's get a strong close above here. Let's see. Magical push. I sent you a link on Telegram. Oh, there you are. My bad. There you are, Aiden.
Hello? Hello?
Or are you echoing?
Hello?
No, you're good. Well, let me turn off this background music.
Hello?
Can you hear me, Aiden?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
How's
All
my
right, I turned off the sound. Let me hear how your piano sounds right now. Just curious.
Is that loud, too loud, quiet?
Maybe a little louder would be cool.
Okay.
You're out last on cue. I want to see if this closes.
With this.
That's good.
I'm here on the stream. I'm so tired right now, so I can't promise.
You're good. You're good. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to actually move my stop under this low. So I count these as break even as long as it's like 10%. So I'm not even counting that as a loss if I lost that, but I'm just going to put in a little protection. Hopefully that this closes a minute and a half above this.
What kind of music do we even want?
I don't know. Somebody make a request for Aiden. We're just gonna do this.
Well, it depends on what it is. Because if it's like rock, it's probably won't be able to do it. Because there's like usually only one chord in rock. 1 or 2 chords. I could try, but.
Tristina says, "Where are you going to go when your mentor and his son plays music while you win? Epic, crazy, cool group." Yeah, I've never seen this before. I ain't gonna lie. This is pretty cool. I want to see that take it out. Yeah, just start there. I'm in Florida. Oh, we closed solid. Catch a bell, Aiden.
What's that?
Catch a bell.
Pashable?
I don't know.
It's probably
That's what
classic.
Kelly said to play. Do you know that song?
I'll be able to learn it if it's not classic by ear, because I mean I can play like most songs by most artists unless it's like a classical, because I have to like actually memorize the notes.
Gotcha. In Brunswick High School, that's so cool.
I don't know if I can play this actually on the stream. I'm gonna have to mute my mic to learn it because
She said
I can't play
pack
it
a
through the
bell.
mic.
Pack a bell. Yeah, go ahead and try to learn it really fast.
Oh, she had me learn this when she was down here. Okay, hold on.
He's figuring it out with his brain right now. Canon and D.
How's that?
Very good.
Thank you.
Just pulled that one out of your hat. There you go. Any requests, guys? Any requests for Aiden? While we're in this trade, hopefully this trade pushes up. I might stop it pretty much break even right here underneath these lows. I won't count this as a L if I lose this, but I do expect it to take these highs. I just want to hit my VWAP up here. Hopefully we can hit it before the time of the day ends. So any requests for Aiden to play? Say hi. Very good. All right, so we have a couple of requests. We have Last Date. I don't know if that's... We have Turkish Rondo. I think those are songs. I don't know. For Elise, of course.
The Fury Elite. Okay, no. I think that's the one. I'm trying to like listen to it on my phone, but want it like copyright your stream. So I have to mute my mic.
You probably got to mute one, yeah.
Okay, one sec.
Interstellar, Kelly. Yeah, play some Interstellar really fast. Now we have a actual close right here. So this is looking really good for us, guys. You guys want to know he's never piano lessons, and how long you been playing now? 2 years?
2 years.
Self-taught himself. Like that.
Fairly easy song.
Fairly easy
Interstellar.
song.
I haven't played this one in like a year. Hold on.
Run. This was the OG, right? Here we go, guys. With these highs. One more to go. Invisible block. Thank you, Tiffany. Thanks, Curtis. You want to know where the tip jar is there? Guys, I'm going to lock in profit right here. Right underneath here. up on ES, we should follow now. I like to use ES as a future indicator. Thank you. Beautiful, beautiful. Tim Seeley says, trading with Bob and a concert from Aiden. There's nothing better for a Friday afternoon. You guys are great. All right.
Yep.
Woo! Took over $1,100 on 2 accounts. Time to start the weekend. I'm off to Vegas to visit my money. To visit your money. Have a great weekend. Thank you for sharing your time with us, Bob. You're welcome, buddy. Hans Zimmer have made a lot of music epic stuff. Guys, I have my stop. So here's 2 things we could do. I could move this FVG right here and lock in profits from here to here, which I'd be okay with because it might play off this, then push up, but it came up here to this 5-minute FVG, hit 50% and came back down here. So I'm thinking it might come to this FVG right here. So I'm going to just put my profit underneath this 5-minute FVG right here, fair value gap, hoping that it just bounces between the two and comes up here and touches that VWAP. And if you look on ES really quick, right here, ES hit the VWAP. So I love ES too, but I like to use ES to show me where NQ is going, right? There's also, what is it, SMT, that people call it, diversion. You know, you can see the diversion or SMT up here earlier for the sell. We had between 930 to 950. And you had it going the opposite direction here. So we love ES for those reasons. But I'd rather have ES tell us where NQ is most likely going, which is most likely VWAP right here. Bravo! All right, so you had other requests, Aiden. You had, let's see, Dave Smith had one. It was come sail away, STYX.
Okay.
Just got to learn it real quick. There we go. This is for Dave Smith, and I'm sure he's going to come right up to this. That makes sense, guys, where I move my stop up below this FVG in this block, this invisible block. We should just see it smash. Let's see what ES is doing now. If we can get ES above this fair value or this VWAP, that'd be sick. But it should still hit it. That makes sense, yeah. ES correlation, yes. So I love ES for that because it literally just tells me future. Guys, congratulations if you took this trade. All right, let's get past this VWAP now. We're still not past the VWAP high, but the next stop is right there. I mean, why would it stop now? We have a 1-minute block right here. You have the VWAP right there. I mean, dude, if there ever wasn't a for sure thing, this would be like the closest to a for sure thing. You're welcome, buddy. Congratulations. Past 50K. Let's go. We did it. We did it. Congratulations, buddy. All right, here he goes.
All right. was a small clip of the song, but I think it was like the first line.
I don't even know if I ever heard that song before.
Yeah, I don't know.
Very good. How was that? I don't even know if that's how it's supposed to go. I'm sure it is. You're up 400 in the trade so far. I think it might keep going, especially 350. It might come all the way up into this fair value gap up here. You could essentially take profit to 50% of this because I think it will go there, but I don't know. Maybe just lock it in. That's kind of where I'm at with this trade. We did wick out this fair value gap. Now I'm going to move that out of the way. Boom. I still have my thing right here. Like, why want like? Come on, just go there. Look at this, Aiden. EST is already at the VWAP.
Yeah.
We're like right there to the VWAP line. I could take profit right now and take this dub. Should I just take the dub? Or should I let it hit TP?
Well. I mean, I took one trade today and I got stopped. And I just waited literally all day. And right when I lock my account out, it shoots up.
Oh yeah, you got out for us. That's right.
Yeah.
We were in here forever. We really worked for this one, guys.
It's crazy.
Hey, let's see if there's any other songs. I think there was a couple more. Sorry, I'm putting you to work today. Hans Zimmer. Wait, no. I don't think they wanted that.
He made Interstellar.
Oh, that was Interstellar?
He made Interstellar.
Oh, okay. Where was that like song that you made recently? Oh, Piano Man, Billy Joel. Like Piano Man.
That's probably a classical that I'd have to memorize, but I'll try.
I don't know, Billy Joel. I'm going to take profits on this, guys. It's probably going to hit. I'm just taking profits. I don't want to deal with that. Just back and forth. It's probably going to go up. That's good on this account. We are at 51,334. So by next week, we'll probably have that one pass, and then we can probably get some payouts together with that. Would be cool. Let me go to the higher time frame here and look for the win ratio. Where the heck did it go? There it is. So now we're at 33 wins, 11 losses, which that's exactly 75%, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 75%. Yeah, it's 75%. Just want to make sure. So we took in 4 weeks. This is the 4th week. Exactly. That's 44. That's 51 trades we've taken together in 4 weeks in a month. And with a 75% win rate. Do you think that's pretty good, guys? I think we did pretty good together. A lot of helping each other out. I think we ended up doing really well. Overall, I think we all profited pretty good. That's awesome, TW or Tana. That's Tana. All right, so I'm good. Who all profited? Let's do a roll call. Who all profited on that last trade, and who all got? I think Aiden's learning that song for one last hoorah. But who all profited on that trade? Who all passed challenges this week? Who all got a payout this week? Let's do one big celebrational type thing, and then Aiden maybe could play us out. And here he is. I hear him. So what is this? Piano Man?
Oh, shoot.
Beautiful.
My bad.
Beautiful.
I like this song.
All right, guys. Let me think. What's that? Yeah, I did.
Did you recognize it?
It's a little bit slower probably than the original, but like it was sounded good. You understood what it was. All right, so Nicholas took profit. Nicholas passed 50K. Let's see. Man, that's so weird. It's like a delay up in my comment area. I'm just trying to catch up where you guys are. So there we go. Tristina Allen. That's so crazy. It's so delayed. So Tristina Allen's in the money. Nicholas is in the money. Real-time feed. I think that's Raymond Like is in the money. Nicholas got a 50K new account today. Beautiful. Tristina Allen, you're welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Nicholas Christensen got 4 more, like 800 away. Beautiful. Yeah, you'll get those probably next week, buddy. Plessis, I did. Thanks, Bob. $400 up. JT, 700 on live account. Greg did as well. So did Tana. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much for playing for us, Aiden. Those songs are getting so repetitious. I got to make a better playlist. Like, my gosh. So that was beautiful. Let's see if Aiden got me a copyright violation somehow, magically. They're like, we just played Piano Man. So Billy Joel, I think that's who it was, wants his money for this ads. That'll be the next thing. Pass 100K Apex Day. Aaron B. Let's get it. Let's get it, buddy. Let's get it. Not bad for NFP. Like we lost one, won a better one. Like this was a 1.3. Lost one earlier on a different account, but this one's doing good. So we're all good, right? Nicolea. I know, man, I see you all the time. I apologize. I don't know how to say that name. Is it Nicolay? Nicolay? $400 on 50K eval, halfway there. Thank you, Bob. You're welcome, buddy. Tristina Allen. Nice, Aaron. Yes. Newly following Solomon Trading this week. Thank you, Bob. Awesome to have you with us, Larry. Appreciate you being here. Grateful to have you. Been trading my Apex with you. 700 away, 50K. We will get it next week. Let's get it, Tristina. Let's get it. Let's get it. Man, this is like a slow, lazy Friday, right? Like everybody's chilling. I think we might go see a movie or something. Then tomorrow I have to go to Jacksonville to play in a pool tournament, which I'd rather not do, honestly, but hopefully, I mean, I guess we can go win real quick. It's all good. 200 teams going. Nice job, everyone. Okay, cool. That's it. So thank you, Aiden, so much for hanging out, buddy. I think he's gone now, but thank you guys for listening. I'm sure that made him happy to have people listen. That's one of his favorite things to do. And I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Share. Stop screen sharing. Cool. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Thank you for sharing your Celebrate Wins. And make sure to share that in the Solomon Training Group. If you're new here, guys, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I go live every day between 1 and 3. Most of the time, 1 and 4. We will see you Monday. Hopefully Monday, depending on this pool tournament, at maybe noon. I might do noon to 2 or noon to 1:30 because I have my first game is on at 2. So have a great weekend. That's it. Phil B says 450 on eval, 350 to pass, 400K in challenges pass. Thanks, Bob. Christian Bethany, awesome. Eddie, beautiful. Carla Luga, thanks, Bob. Have a great weekend. You guys have a blessed, amazing weekend. God bless you all. Thank you so much.